I am really excited about something because my art came. I got some phone cases, iPhone cases made out of my art. I took photographs of some of the furniture I have painted, and I made digital art and got it put onto phone cases, and this is the first time I'm seeing the samples in real life. I mean, I've made them and they're on the screen, and I can see them on a screen, but it's different than getting the cases in real life, and so here they are. All right, I ordered 4 samples because I have 4 designs. So let's see how they look. Oh my gosh. Oh, they look so good. This is a glossy one of the Big Bang Cosmic. Oh my gosh, what a great solid case too. All right, that's a glossy version of that design. And this is a matte version of this Poppies design. Oh my gosh, they look so good. All right, let's see these two. Oh my goodness. All right, that's the copper bookshelf. And again, that's a glossy version. You can see that. Such a well-made case. And this is, oh my gosh, that's a matte version of this design. Oh, look how the color is so, right around the edges. That just looks so good. And it's such a good solid. All right, let's see how these look on the actual phones then. All right, this is my old XS, which of course, as you can see, would have benefited greatly from having a good case on it. I got this one in this size. So we'll see how it fits on here. Unfortunately, the last time I dropped it, it ended up with these lines on it. So it is broken, although it works in a lot of ways. Oh my gosh, that fits on there super snug. Oh my gosh, look how, oh my gosh, that is a really good solid case. I am very happy with that. Oh my gosh. Oh, I am in love with that. Oh, I really love that. That is, oh my God, I'm more happy than I could have ever thought with that. All right, perfect. Now the next few cases I tested out on my iPhone 14 Pro. So these are all the size of the 14 Pro. And I got them because this is the main phone I use all the time, and I'll be able to rotate them out and show them off as samples of the cases that I have to offer. And I love how they fit on the phone. They're all super snug, and they'll keep my phone really safe, which is very important to me. It's the whole point of the phone case, right? The art is great, but the point is to keep the phone safe. All the buttons work, the volume, the on-off button. I'm really happy about all of that. The production of these cases is so much better than I actually expected. I didn't expect it to be bad, but I didn't expect it to be this good. And I'm really happy about not only the case itself, but the way the art is produced on the case. In order to film the 14 Pro cases, I had to film it with my old XS. And so the settings on the XS are very different from the settings on the 14 Pro, which I didn't really think about before I took the shot. And so the colors are much richer and more saturated in these shots here than they were at the beginning, which I took with the 14 Pro. So if you notice the color difference, you can scoot back and forth between the beginning shots and these shots, and you'll see the cases look really different. And that's just the difference in color settings on the two phones. And I didn't want to mess with it in post-production. I just wanted you to see the way the phones picked it up. So these cases are now available on my Etsy shop, and I'll put the link at the end and in the description and on my website, and that's liveyummy.com. I'm going to have a lot more of these cases for you soon. So what do you think? Do you think they look good? Do you think they're worth $29.99 and a couple bucks for shipping? The way I've described them and the solidness of the case and having original art digitally reproduced on them for you from a local small artist. I'd love to know what you think, and if it's something that you think you're interested in that go from an iPhone X all the way to a 16 Pro. I'm so excited about them. There's something incredible about seeing something that you painted show up in this format. It just, on something that's very practical and everyday usable for everybody. You know, like one person has this piece of furniture and whoever goes to her home gets to see this in real life. But now, like, more of us get to enjoy just a piece of it in this very little specific way and in an everyday way. And it just makes me really happy. And I hope it's something that brings just a tiny bit of creativity and joy to your life as well. And I'd love to know what you think. Thanks.